Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the Batmobile. This is number 3 out of 5 from Batman, and this is number 103 out of 250, so let's go ahead and open this up. You know how we should name themselves Batwheels, because you know why? Batman, like the Batman series, especially like the Batmobiles, are conquering every single case that you've ever seen because of, I don't know, Mattel's trying to save costs basically. So the main thing I'm gonna talk about this video is basically I'm gonna complain about how many Batmobiles are per case. Like per case, you wouldn't want to know, because well, it has been noticeable, like there are a lot of cases actually, like this car. This is from the E and F case of 2023. So per 72 count case for a basically an E case mainly, there would be 3 of the same Batmobiles, and there will be another 3 of a different version of a Batmobile. For example, the tuned TV series Batmobile. There are 3 per case, and the other 3 would be another Batmobile. So like, Mattel is putting 6 Batmobiles into waste just to make it a 72 count case, where they could where Mattel could actually like reduce it to maybe 2 or at least 1 Batmobile per case, 1 variant of a Batmobile per case. So that would be 2 Batmobiles per case. It would be better, because if it were to be 6 Batmobiles, which is 2 variants of course, it would waste up to 6 cars that could be potentially any other different new casting or repeat or anything else. Like for example, this casting, there are 3 per box, so there will be another 3. For example, the tuned TV series Batmobile, there will be another 3 in that same box, but just that it's a Batmobile, just that in different variants. That's the issue with Mattel now. They're trying to save up money just so that they could put 6 Batmobiles into 1 case, and basically not needing to waste more on doing new castings, which is a bad sign, because well, it's understandable that Batmobiles these days are so easy to find in stores that people don't even want to buy them because it is just too much. Like 3 Batmobiles per case. If it were to be 3 boxes per shop, that would make it into 9 Batmobiles, which I have experienced this, where I went to a shop and basically that full shelf was filled with the tuned TV series Batmobiles, and none of them were the Super Treasure Hunt, which is such a big I don't know, it's quite complicated to say. Like it would be like, if it were to be the full on case where it has the 3 Batmobiles like I said. But if it were to be a whole shelf, that means they would like open, I don't know, like maybe 5 cases, 6 cases, who knows. But still, Mattel is just wasting many time and just putting more Batmobiles into cases which people don't like at all. Like there are many bad reviews about these Batmobiles being in many cases where there are 3 of that single variant in 1 case, whereas there are another 3 Batmobiles that are different variants in that same case. Like, I know it sounds a bit confusing indeed, but seeming the misunderstanding that Mattel likes to do when it comes to Batmobiles, they don't really care whether it's a Batmobile or not. They just like to throw in, I don't know, 2 or 3 Batmobiles per time, which many people don't really like at all, especially when it comes to these newer cases where people want new castings, new potential recolors, maybe some new castings which are new to mainline, who knows. It could actually replace these Batmobiles which Mattel makes to waste and release 3 and 3 in each and every box they would release, which is really, really bad indeed. I'm not the only one. Like, many people out there are so frustrated to see 6 Batmobiles in one box, because like, who wants the Batmobiles? It's not like we're Batmobile fanboys, like we're just, oh, we see some Batmobiles, just buy them all. No, we don't really like to see Batmobiles in that same box where there are 6 of the same thing. No, nobody's gonna buy that. Nobody's gonna care. They would just sell it or just go to waste, basically. So Mattel is doing something wrong basically with these Batmobiles, which many people don't like, and one of them is what I'm reviewing today, which I'm finally gonna go to this Batmobile here. So today we're gonna review this Batmobile right here, which the title only says Batmobile, not a TV series or anything. This is technically a Batmobile, so whatever, we're just gonna review it. And so enough about the 72 count case, 6 Batmobiles whatsoever. We're just gonna continue with this video. So yeah, let's go ahead and check this Batmobile out. So here it is, the Batmobile. So basically we have the bat wings at the back, and for detail we have some orange lining at the rims right there for the wheels, which are awesome right there. And then you have some stripes on the side, which are in like light orange, I guess. And then some more chrome orange rims, which are kind of cool. Here's the front. So yeah, very, very nice. You have some stripes on the hood as well as the roof. You have an orange sort of like windshield right there, as you can see. And yeah, just to tell you that plastic body, okay? Don't think it's metal. I used to thought it was metal because of the car culture version being metal, so I thought, you know what, maybe the mainline version is also metal. Turns out it's not, it's plastic. Only metal part is the base, which is still next Mattel's plan to save money, which not many people are happy. Mattel, not many people are happy. So yeah, that's that. Moving on to the back, yeah, you have this exhaust part at the back, quite a big one. And yeah, basically that's it. No rear lights or anything, I don't think so. And yeah, let's move on to the base. So matte black base. What does it say? 2004 2017 Mattel, made in Malaysia. And yeah, that's it. Hold on, let me check something. Okay. So yeah, like I said, Mattel should stop doing these multiple Batmobiles in that certain case. Nobody's gonna nobody's gonna like care about the Batmobiles per case. They would go more for the licensed models, where we could potentially get more better castings, other than the fact we'll get 3 Batmobiles and another 3 Batmobiles, which would all go to waste. Like, what's the purpose? They're just left in stores, hanging for years and years to come, and nobody's gonna buy those Batmobiles just because Mattel are putting in too many Batmobiles into one case. That's just such a waste of time and money, and nobody's gonna buy it. Like, there's no way they're gonna like return it or something. That's not gonna happen. Mattel is just gonna continue and doing these Batmobiles, even though many of us already complain about these Batmobiles being in too many cases. I know it is a serious topic indeed. Like, many people, when they open certain box cases, they would complain of getting more and more Batmobiles, which they don't really care or matter, because they are just the same thing. There are 3 of the same thing and more another 3 in the same thing, which is just bad in terms of saving money from Mattel. Maybe do something better. Just don't focus more on Batmobiles, like 3 per case. That's bad. And there's not even 3, there's 6, where 3 are different Batmobiles and another 3 are not different Batmobiles. That is just very bad. Like, Mattel should stop, or maybe include only 1 Batmobile per box at least, so people wouldn't be wasting time just finding it and then suddenly just finding 6 random Batmobiles in that certain store. That's not gonna happen, bro. So yeah, there you go. This is my review of this Batmobile. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye. And Mattel, please stop doing Batmobiles. Once again, bye bye.